So without further ado, let's get started. Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today's fireside chat. My name is Kalada. I'm a member of the programs team at She Leads Africa, and we're going to jump into it. So today's fireside chat is called Building a Digital Business Empire, and it is a fireside chat workshop, and it's part of the Visa Next Steps Age of Access initiative. So yes, as I mentioned, I'm a representative from SLA. She Leads Africa is a digital media company that creates online content and offline events and programs to help young African women, much like all of you, achieve your personal and professional goals. So our partner Visa is a global payments technology company working to enable consumers, businesses, banks, and governments to use digital currency. And yes, welcome to the Next Steps Age of Access workshop. So it's a workshop series designed to give you practical insights, tools, and resources so you can start, grow, and scale your digital businesses. It is your passport, sis. Welcome to the very fifth workshop in the series. So quick show, can anyone else hear that weird feedback? Or is it just me? It might just be me, so don't worry. Let's just keep going. So yeah, who was here for one of the prior workshops in the series? Let us know in the chat section. So if you attended one of the previous events, let us know in the chat. Okay. So yeah, like I mentioned, my name is Kalada. I'm a program manager at Africa and your support representative during today's fireside chat. I am passionate about supporting female entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship in general, and I'm here to support you during the event. So our host for today is Seyitan Atigarin. She's an award-winning TV producer and creative director of Abebitian. Sorry about my bad pronunciation. Otherwise, she is a presenter, journalist, producer, and creative director, earning her master's degree in international broadcast journalism at Birmingham City University. Seyitan's love of media started after interning at Channels TV and Inspiration FM. She also had a brief stint working at Arise TV, London, as a news intake manager. In 2014, her career kicked off working as a production manager for Play Center Nigeria on projects such as Play Center Nigeria. On projects such as Dance with Peter, Celebrity Basketball, Face Off, and Marvin Access Concert. She became a regular contributor on Evidence Live TV's UBA Men's Corner and gained notoriety working at UBA Red's TV's The Source, an entertainment and lifestyle show, and the platform Red Carpet show on Red. She was nominated in the Best TV Presenter, Lifestyle, and Best Lead TV categories organized by the Nigerian Entertainment Awards, and went ahead to win the Best TV Presenter Award in 2017. She combines life in media and passion for travel by collaborating with 3 other media personalities and Red TV to create Here and Now, The Adventures of Tassa, an online series documenting 4 young women experiencing diverse cultures across Africa through travel. By the end of 2017, she took a hiatus from presenting to focus on her kimono line, Abebichan, and in December of the same year was named as the Best Promising TV Personality at the Odua Image Awards in Houston, Texas. In 2018, the brand went on to launch its Prado collection.
Hi. I think people are trying to get your attention in the comments. The audio seems to...
The audio is off. Can you all hear me right now? Okay, cool. Sorry about that. I'm not sure where the audio glitch was. I could hear some feedback. Okay, so it's with, I didn't know that all of you could hear it too. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's continue. I'll just start from the top. So Seyitan is an award-winning TV presenter, journalist, producer, and creative director. She has received numerous awards, including Best TV Presenter by the Nigerian Entertainment Awards. Her brand has been featured at Shop Africa in 2019. She's also been a key contributor to the global coverage of the 2020 SARS protest and the October 2021 Lekki Tollgate Memorial. So welcome, Seyitan.
Thank you for having me.
So next we have Kieva. Kieva is an award-winning entrepreneur, certified digital marketing professional, sales funnel expert, and business, an agency that helps thought leaders and educators increase their impact platform programs. Apologies. She has 8+ years running multiple successful e-commerce businesses, and she's also received the SME 100 Africa Award for her online jewelry brand, Suvanvi Jewelry, in 2017. So, welcome, Kieva.
Thank you, Carter.
Okay, so before we jump into today's fireside chat, we're quickly going to go over the learning objectives, agenda. We're also going to play a quick intro video to the She's Next initiative. After that, I'm going to hand over to Seyitan and Kieva to do their thing and to talk through the questions during the fireside, and then we'll have a Q&A segment. So, okay, so here are our learning objectives. So your learning objectives are to understand the basic infrastructure to sustainably expand your digital business, learn practical business tips from a serial digital entrepreneur, which is Kieva herself, and identify your next steps to implement the lessons in the short and the long term. So in terms of here's how we're going to get there. So first, the first line of questioning is going to be around setting your growth goals. Second is going to be unlocking new growth channels. Third is choosing your growth systems and tools. Fourth is conducting customer research. And then after that, you will have an opportunity to ask Seyitan and Kieva your questions by sharing your questions in the Q&A section. Okay, so very quickly, before we move on to the introductory video, just a few quick tips about engaging with one another on Zoom. So many of you, I can see you're already acquainted with the chat section. So please could you use it to communicate with yourselves and with us during today's fireside chat. If you have any questions, please can you share them in the Q&A box. If you see someone's asked a question that you wanted to ask in the Q&A box, you don't have to repeat the question. You can just upload their question by clicking on the like button, and that will push it towards the top and lets us know that multiple people want us to answer the same question. Otherwise, you can also share a follow-up by commenting on someone's original question, or you can also answer someone else's question, because sharing is caring. And not only is this a fireside chat, but it's also an opportunity for you to connect with other like-minded female entrepreneurs. So if you see someone's question that you might be able to answer, please feel free to share wisdom with them by sharing a comment on the question in the Q&A box. So otherwise, so if you have any questions, please feel free to share them in the Q&A. You can ask as many as you like. There are no stupid questions, and I'll be keeping an eye out for all of them during the event. And then there will also be a Q&A segment after the fireside chat. Okay, cool. So we're going to play a quick intro video to the She's Next initiative. Then I'm going to hand over to Seyitan to go through the fireside chat with Kieva. Cool. So let's get into it.
Small businesses are the backbone of Africa's economy, and women entrepreneurs play a significant role in that. In spite of the pandemic, many of them have managed to survive and even thrive. We undertook research to understand how women entrepreneurs have fared, and 7 out of 10 women-owned small businesses in sub-Saharan Africa claim the pandemic has had significant negative impact on their business revenue. This comes in addition to other challenges such as lack of technological infrastructure and limited access to financing and digital capabilities. At Visa, we believe that we are now in the age of access, and unlocking digital capabilities for women-led small businesses is one of our priorities. We aim to do this through our She's Next initiative. Over the next few months, we will kick off a number of initiatives to open access to education, resources, and funding. Globally, we have digitally enabled over 16 million small and micro businesses, and we hope to expand this reach through the launch of She's Next in sub-Saharan Africa. We believe that investing in women entrepreneurs is the key to recovery and economic growth. If you are a woman and an entrepreneur, I encourage you to get involved and be part of the She's Next program. To find additional information about the She's Next initiative, visit africa.visa.com.
Okay, so I'm now going to hand over to you, Seyitan and Kieva, to go ahead and get into the fireside chat. Thank you so much for waiting, and thank you to everybody for listening to my intro. Otherwise, and I'll be here to answer your questions. Otherwise, have a fantastic fireside, and I'll see you all when it's time for the Q&A.